Look up, Patches. That's a feather. That's a feather from a baby bird. A baby pigeon feather or something. Yeah, that's what that is. You can't have it. Let me see it. I can't even blow it away. Oh my God. Look out. They're after bugs. Even every time a fly comes through here, boom, one of them lunges at it. Simba, he's been lucky. He bats them with the paw, catches them, eats them right there instantly. So maybe he doesn't even kill them. They're just stunned, and that's all he's got to do is stun them for a second, and then he picks them up with both paws and shoves the fly in his mouth, and he eats it. I've seen it. Jody too. Patches has been going after him. She hasn't caught nothing yet. But Jody and Simba both caught bugs so far a few minutes ago. And the mother, I think she's fixated on a pigeon that's on the other side over here.